So we're just going to be spreading our mud here. I'm using a margin trowel, a long margin trowel, so I can go and spread it properly, otherwise we'll make a hell of a mess down below. We're working out of a bucket here, so as you can see, our mortar is of the consistency of a little bit wetter than peanut butter. It has kind of that same sort of consistency of ability to butter. We're putting a decent mortar bed here. Had to build up our leads a little bit so that we had some strength to the sides. We should be using a regular trowel to furrow our mud. So we furrow it front and back so that our bricks fall in there. Pick up any excess mortar before it falls. And I'm also gauging based on the joint that I'm working to. You can see that there's a bigger joint there. So I know that I'm still trying to build on one side and squeeze on the other.